Hey everybody, this is Jeremy from Sunfield Flippers, coming back at you with another retail break. I went to my local Meijer and Walmart and Target and couldn't find any Topps Chrome hanger boxes, so I just got some regular Topps hanger boxes. Who knows, maybe a Cooper's been floating around for a couple months and nobody's hit it yet. So there was 5 at my local Meijer, so I figured I'd grab it and rip it and see what we get. So you guys need to tell me who you think is going to win Rookie of the Year this year. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I appreciate everybody that's watching my videos. We appreciate the support. We're going to try to do a couple videos a week in 2026, and as my channel grows, maybe I can get some more higher end product and get some hobby product for you guys to be able to do some reviews and breaks. And then maybe we got chances at some more higher end hits, and then I can also start doing some giveaways. I don't mind doing all that stuff. Got to start somewhere. Go in 5 hanger packs. Let's see what we can do. These are $13 a pack, so not too bad. A lot better than the 85 for Megas now for Chrome. We'll go through them kind of quick, obviously. Micah Peavy, McCulloch, Knipple rookie, Wemby base, Fleming, Asian Duel, Bronny Jr., and we'll go to the back. And I also like the hanger packs for the Diamanté. And in the back, there's usually nothing in it. Ant, Chet. There's usually no rookies in the back of these hangers. Just all current legends, but I do like the Diamantes in these. They're pretty sweet. And and look what we got right on top. First pack, Cooper Flagg orange Diamanté. Yeah, we'll take that. We will take that all day. Knipple generation now, Pascal Siakam, 8-bit ballers AD, Yaku Nevis generation now. And our other Diamante is Tyler Hero, Jalen Wells, and we got a Colin Murray Boyle Sand Glitter, Power Players, and Cole Anthony 45th. So not a bad $13 hanger pack, I guess, huh? Like I said, that all elusive Cooper, there he was. Now we just need an auto out of one of these. Saraf, Martin, and as Sky B would say, we'll pray to the card gods. Will Riley, Behringer, Edgecombe rookie, Cedric Howard rookie, some legends, look like a lot of the same from before. And again, the back, like I said, there's usually no rookies back here. It's usually just all-stars, base cards, legends. And the hits. We got a Spud Webb backwards. The gold Spud Webb. Paper, 2025, number 200 on the print. Donovan Mitchell. Jeremiah Fears, Clutch City, Jokic Ballers, Trey Johnson, Jokic, and a Johnny Brome 45th, Malik Monk, and Saloon on the Diamante. Stockton, Brom, Murray Boyles, Demon, Cade, LeBron, Kobe. Sorry. Jimmy Butler, Wemby team card. And again, just some base in the back. Castle, Paulo, Ricochet. All right, it hits pack number 3, and Will Riley rookie, gold, number 2016 of 2025, gold paper, Knipple, Cedric Howard, Wemby, and a Magic 45th, and Mike Conley, and the Clippers, Diamantés. So we got Cooper, Edgecombe, Diamanté, Noah Penda, Barnheiser, AI, Kalkbrenner rookie. There's Cooper. Cooper base rookie, and Derek Queen behind it. Clifford, Micah Peavy, Ball, Trey Young, and again, these will just be base stars in the back or legends. And it hits pack 4. Nicholas Batum backwards. Just a rainbow foil Batum, a bad corner on it already. Drake Powell now, Donovan Mitchell, Fears, Clutch City, Jokic, Trey Johnson, and a Thomas Sorber 45th, and a Jalen Green, Lonzo Ball, Diamante. All right, pack number 5. Again, usually the hangers are bangers, so same thing with regular tops. Bernard King, Manu, Malik, Knipple, base rookie, Wemby, Clayton Wade, Garnett, OG, Bronny Jr., and again, all the base in the back. And our hits for pack 5. Let's see. Vucevic. There's rainbow foil Vucevic. Jokic power players again. Dylan Harper 8-bit. Jace Richardson. Austin Reeves 8-bit. And backwards jaw, so that's probably a sand glitter. 8-bit ballers. Will Riley 45th, and our 2 Diamantes are Dorian Finney-Smith and Brandon Ingram. So not bad for 5 hanger packs. Again, like $13 a piece. We got Wemby base, Knipple rookie, Cooper rookie, Derek Queen rookie, LeBron base, Coward rookie, Edgecombe rookie, another Knipple base, Wembanyama base, Will Riley gold rookie paper 20/25, Spud Webb, and a pink Diamante Cooper. And that looks pretty clean, so we'll see about grading. But there we go. Until I can find some Topps Chrome hanger packs, we appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.